I forgot to do an intro and an outro with the whole family reunion festivities. There was a lot of things going on and I just totally slipped my mind, and I was more worried about getting a couple of things done for you guys, a couple of vlogs. So I'm just starting it now while I'm on my break. And I just wanted to say, enjoy the get ready with me as we get ready for our family reunion. I slept horrible. Look how cute this is. It's a little makeup bag from one of the girls that I did aftercare with. Wait, this one is... Oh no, I sharpened it. What are you doing?
Why are we recording this?
Because I don't have
Is
a
your
mirror.
whole life recorded? So you don't have to record, you can just turn the camera on.
I feel like I should be mic'd, but it's too much work. And we have to go to church in 15 minutes. But the big question is, how do I want to do my hair for church? Let's do like a low. I feel like I get like really bad baby hairs and it really just like always falls out. Yesterday was literally so much fun, and they had a videographer come and film part of it for us. Can you tell that I'm like, and the videographer let me take one of his cameras for a little bit, and so I got to use like a professional camera and video some of that, and that was really cool. Just getting to work with like an actual camera. You know it. And then last year, when we all went to church together, I was holding my cousin's kid and giving him a bottle, and he's like, quick, let me have him. And as soon as I like let go and I gave him to him, he threw up all over my cousin. And so now it's a joke, and I have to like revive myself to that mess as a joke. And low-key, it's sad that we live like 2.5 hours away from them, because I was literally telling the baby's mom, I was like, if I lived so much closer to you, you would be so annoyed with me, because I'd be over at your house all the time. I think I'm just gonna try to bite it, see if I can go with my hair down. Doesn't look that bad, does it? And that is the end of our get ready with me. I will leave this very short. I just wanted to say, now I have to go watch a video podcast and we're done on our break. I'm so tired, but it was a good weekend and I hope you guys got to see that. And hanging out with the videographer was fun. Hanging out with all of my cousins was fun. Doing the fireworks was fun. And I don't know, it was just really fun. So I'm gonna sign out for now. Ciao, babes.